to the party, got a bitch to the side of me. This nigga called the proper, so I fucked him up excitedly. Just like never try, nigga getting cut. No, niggas couple, I don't got the city on my back.
AXXUTREL, AXXUTREL, Xango, Shiva, Melek, Taos.
Horus, Enki, Noctifer, Yebuza, Akashadiza, Amaimon, Samael.
Up and coming superstar from the underground. New style of production, new style of genre, SIGILKORE. Made music, made All Eyes on Me. Best song ever made. Thanks to Sax, I'm gonna be making this tutorial. Do the beat, I'm gonna do the rap, and then I'm gonna do mix, and then post FX. As far as I'm aware, he makes 3 styles of music: high discharge, energy blaster, praising Satan with some ambient shit, and some random experimental shit. So I'm gonna be focusing on the energy blaster music. We are going straight to 200 and actually I'm gonna check his last song and just copy the BPM. For this range you're gonna be looking at something really high, like 170 to 200 plus usually. For plugins it's Nexus. For drums it's Trap Drums. And then he has some effects he uses literally every song. And then literally the last thing on top of that is post mastering. You add so many chops and chorus effects and just some gunshots. You'll see. My Nexus crashes, so let's hope. Melody is Haunted Horror Movie. Lead or pad, a really good sample. Drums, almost never 2-step hats, but perks still busy as fuck. And snare is usually on 3 and 4. Well, it's not regularly on 3. And then for the 808, it has to be specific to the beat. He usually never just puts a spins 808 and leaves it like. So I noticed he uses this dance piano a lot, so that's what I'm gonna use, at least for the older songs. Either dance piano or some cranky, twerky lead. Rap gang. Usually with claps, they're not fat like in regular hip hop. With the drum kits, as I said, some zap gang is the only important thing. This is something personal, but I like to put this thing on my master. So after a stanky beat is done, you don't ever rearrange it. Usually you keep it like this, just a whole pattern on the thing. You export, and now is the best part of the beat. So when you export, you delete the master and the current, but it sounds good, so I'm gonna keep it. Put the BPM back on 193, and this is gonna be like the formula of how it goes usually. It plays stanky for about this amount of bars, and then it drops volume, comes back with no vocals, just making sure volume is the same. My mouse is broken, so it's pressing twice. For the effects, I have the secret pack eyelash insult kit, super good. It's on Reddit, it's Reddit/drunkit. When it comes to lyrics, I'm just gonna put some, you know, some bad shit.